Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure camera is enabled and QR scanning allowed in settings. Open the camera app and switch to the rear lens. Position the code within the frame so the camera can focus. Move closer or farther until the pattern sharpens. Once done, keep the phone steady and avoid glare or motion blur because the camera needs a clear, focused image to detect the code. If autofocus struggles, tap the screen to focus manually and hold for a moment. You frame the QR code in the viewfinder and watch for the detection banner that appears at the top of the screen. When the banner shows, read the preview to understand the link or action. This guards against phishing. Tap the banner to open Safari, add a contact, or join Wi-Fi depending on the code. If the camera reads multiple codes or offers choices, make sure to select the correct action. Don't rush, because the wrong tap could open an unintended website. You complete the process by reviewing the content you opened and deciding whether to proceed. Look for trusted domains and expected actions. If the camera app doesn't detect the code, try the Control Center QR scanner or a reputable QR reader app as an alternative. Make sure lighting is adequate and the lens is clean. Sometimes a quick restart of camera or the phone fixes detection bugs. If issues persist, toggle settings, camera scan QR codes off and on. Then try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.